Okay, so I only went for the XM4 in Black Ops 6 multiplayer so far, and here is what I figured out works best to have less recoil. So first you want to make sure to have a skin equipped. I'm used to play with the tight skin or the gold skin, and then you want to focus on the optic. Now I only have enabled 4 different scopes. That's why I'm using the Prisma Tech Reflex scope. Then for the muzzle, I'm playing with the compressor. Then the barrel should be the reinforced barrel for more damage range and bullet velocity. Down here for the underbarrel, you want to have the vertical foregrip equipped for your horizontal recoil control. And for the magazine, to kill 2 or 3 or even 4 enemies with 1 magazine, you have to equip the extended mag 1 or the extended mag 2, but with the second one you have less flexibility on the map, less handling, so I am preferring the extended mag 1. For the rear grip, you can choose between commando grip or the CQB grip if you have a playstyle with many slides or dives to kill enemies. So I'm preferring the commando grip because I'm more running, sprinting around and not using the dolphin dives or the slides. For the stock you have just one option, just choose the combat stock for less flinch and the aim walking movement speed is higher. And now you want to go to your fire mods, and down here you can choose between recoil springs and rapid fire. For me the recoil springs works best to have more precision while aiming. So this is my full setup. Let me show it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.